Beacons.ai is one of the best link in bio tools, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Beacons.ai. First, head over to their website. I'll leave a link to it down below. You can sign up for an account by clicking on Sign Up or by clicking on Get Started for free. Here's where you enter your username, which will be shown at the end of your Beacons link. After you finish, click on Next. You can create your account by entering your name, email, and password, or you can sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple. For this video, I'm going to sign up with Google. Select the Google account you would like to sign up with. Click on Continue. You can add all of your socials here: Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Click on Next. You can go ahead and add your profile picture here. I'm going to upload one from my computer. After you finish, click on Accept, and then click on Looks Good. It might take a few seconds for everything to get set up. You can start designing your page to make it look good. You can select portrait, banner, or classic. You can also select what color you want. You can generate it with AI. You can also choose the type of font you want. After you finish, you can click on Done. This is what your link will look like. Click on Next. You can skip this for now. Click on Yes, activate my Beacon store. It might take a few seconds. After, click on Next. You can upgrade to the Creator Pro account for $10 a month if you want more features, but you don't have to, so we're going to skip that for now. You get a free custom domain when you upgrade, but we're going to skip that for now. And now you're all set up and ready to use Beacons. On the right-hand side, you can see a preview of what your page looks like. There's a lot you can do with Beacons. They offer a website builder, which is great for creating landing pages. You can connect with your audience, promote your content, and drive sales with email marketing. Here's where you can add your products to your store. You can create a digital portfolio to showcase your best work. Here's where you can get your referral link. You can edit the design of your page. You can change the text size of the header. You can add your socials and see the number of clicks. Choose your social icon size. You can choose the header format you want. You can add your brand colors, or you can play around with these color combinations until you find one that you like. You can select what you want in the background and change the color that way. You can also change the color of the text and button. You can play around with the block style until you find one that you like. You can change the fonts here. If you want to promote a product from your store and have it be the first thing someone sees when they click on your link, you can choose what product you want to pop up here. This is the Insights tab. It allows you to see where your traffic is coming from and more. You can also see data on sales, services, and tips. This is the Settings tab. Another place you can see your analytics is in your Home tab. You can see analytics for your link in bio, email marketing, and store. You can filter it by the last 7 days, 30 days, and 90 days. If you appreciate me taking the time to make this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel because I plan on uploading more videos about beacons and digital products. And if you're new to selling digital products online, grab my free beginner's guide down below. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a great day.